So, hi guys, I am Purva and welcome back to my channel. So, today's topic is going to be about how I deal with failures. Now, this topic is really a difficult one to share because it takes lots of vulnerability to share these things with my audience. But I feel like people out there must be dealing with it, students out there must be dealing with it, and everyone has a different coping mechanisms. But here are few things that I do differently, and I hope you guys also get little bit better about these things. So yeah, the first thing is that I sit down and I thank God कि थैंक यू मुझे ये लेसन देने के लिए कि ओके दिस थिंग्स हैवन वर्क दिस, so maybe I will have a different way or another way to crack the exams or to be good at it. So next thing is I have normalized failing. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि situations are different and circumstances are different and people don't get time to stuck around their routine for studying and for managing it and juggling different things at the same time. And that's the reason that मतलब अगर दिमाग में 100 चीज़ें चल रही हो तो sometimes it happens that we will fail. So normalize it because life is going to happen around you and you have to sail the boat through the life. So yeah, it's okay to fail, it's okay to rest, it's okay to reset and restart again. It's okay. Things take time. Rome was not built in one day. That's the principle that I have been preaching myself when I am dealing with failures in my career. Next thing is I take a paper, I take a pen, and then I write down all the things that must have gone wrong, or like in the perspective of exams I'm talking about, that the things where the sums are gone wrong, or the topic that I haven't studied, or the topic that I ignored, or I write down all my mistakes. I write down all the mock tests that I haven't given, or that time when I didn't show up for my things. All the things I write down, and then it strikes me ki okay, this thing happened, and that's the reason for. Like, you have to be honest with yourself at least. So be honest and keep your pen and diary and just write it down. You will know what you are missing out on. Next thing is that I never say or I never shame myself for failing. Now this is very contradictory because sometimes I do. Sometimes everyone out there must be doing a negative self-talk. But I have read the thing that words are energy. So please, I request all the students out there and even the people who are giving exams, please don't speak anything negatively about yourself, even in the form of your anger. And it's okay. You just have to have belief. Your belief system should be so strong that even if you fail, you have the capacity to get back stronger. So that's the thing that I have learned. Next thing is, uh, I know most of the students out there must have sacrificed their hangouts, their routines, their family functions, and everything, and there must be a certain kind of rage that they have wasted their youth, or they have after failing, they have they feel like they have wasted their time by not hanging out with them. But I feel like, guys, you are way more ahead than your friends, peers, and college colleagues in better ways. Like, that exam has given you a knowledge, and knowledge is never wasted. So it's okay even if you fail, because the lessons now you have learned, you can apply it, or maybe even you can be a better person. So every exam teaches your mind that you are a fabulous thing. So the anger or the rage you have, channelize it with exercising, with meditating, with journaling, and please, I request you, please don't take out your anger on anyone, for that matter. I know it takes certain amount of self discipline and emotional regulation to be at that point, but trust me, the people around you loves you, and they don't want you to suffer. So it's okay, even if you fail you can rise back stronger, and don't make the exam your whole life. You have a whole life ahead, so please don't take any stress. And yeah, you can deal with it. Failures are just like balls, yeah. You have to catch it. Sometimes your catch is going to be missed, और बाउंड्री पे ही कैच छूट जाता है, ऐसा होता है यार, ठीक है, कोई वांदा नहीं, कोई नहीं, सब चंगा हो जाता है. आई फॉलो दिस प्रिंसिपल दैट रोम वॉज नॉट बिल्ड इन वन डे, एंड हो जाएगा यार. People around there are there to support you, or if even not there, you must be having a strong friend group or strong supporting peers who must be there with you for your while you are failing, or while you are preparing. So be grateful for them, love them, and stay happy. So yeah, see by you, enjoy your weekend.